Okay, welcome. So, in this video, I'm going to be basically rating my old artwork, so you guys can make better artwork. So this one is one of the pieces that I really like. I'm basically going to be rating everything out of 5. So 1 is mediocre, 5 is excellent. We're going to be looking at composition, lighting, materials, performance, and cinematics. Alright, so this one in particular is one of my favourite builds, primarily because it just reminds me of summer. This was actually based on a sci-fi film I took inspiration from, not directly copied. But if you guys have ever seen the film, I don't think I can mention the film that it is, but it basically has space wizards and they like to lift things with their hands, and then they have these laser swords. So, yeah, you can kind of get an idea of which planet this is inspired from. We're starting off with the basics right here, which is the kind of bays and stuff like that that we're doing. I actually might do tutorials on composition, actually, based on my old stuff on this channel. If you guys want that, just like comment and we can get something sorted with that. So yeah, I might sound a little bit drained today. This is my 30th recorded video today, and honest to God, like, I have been, it's 17 minutes past 7. I've been doing this since 2 o'clock. So I'm pretty tired. I would continue, but I can feel it, like, here. So yeah. Alright, we got this first bit being made right here. If you guys want to watch the full video, you are more than welcome to. I will leave it in the description. So now we have this nice little balcony going on. Some nice little lighting. And then we have all of the wood coming through here. For this basic build, I would probably... So we have the basic build right here. I'm just going to go ahead and mosey this on over. So this is what this turns into. It turns into this very nice little opaque piece right here. We also get some little swinging chairs, and this is a secondary video, so there may be 2 links for this video, but don't worry, I will put them into the description for you. So the next thing that we have is this nice little leaf. We have water coming in at the background, and this is the point where you really see where I got my inspiration from. Rating this personally, I think this is a little bit too flat and this is a little bit too flat right here, but to be honest with you, I kind of like this. I would definitely give this probably a 3.5 out of 5, and that's being generous. I did rebuild this so that the trees in the background looked a little bit better, but to be honest with you, final thoughts with this, once we get the load in from here, is this. The floorboards are okay. Tree needs a little bit more shade to it and maybe some variance in texture. This wooden stuff on the side of the marble right here just kind of doesn't sit. You've got the backdrop here that's kind of been blurred because there's not that much detail, and all the trees seem to be the same height, which means that it just kind of looks a little bit robotic and a little bit repetitive. You've got this nice rope that's coming up here, nice rope that's coming up here at the side as well. To be honest with you, it looks pretty good. But I would also say that there's a couple of errors as well, such as there's a huge... This is supposed to be red material on the side right here, but it just looks pink. It's very blown out. Yeah, I would say 3.5 for this one, for sure.